It is Wind Down Wednesday in our Rice's Appliance kitchen, thanks to Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And one of the Sarasota-Manatee Originals, of course, is Mi Pueblo. Welcome. All right, so we're trading in our wine glasses in honor of Cinco de Mayo, and we are going to talk about margaritas in just a minute. But first, Mi Pueblo, family-owned and operated. I'm going to tell a secret. We have staff members, and I know you know who I'm talking about, here at ABC 7, where it is their home place.
He's there every day.
Our friend Frank, because of the food, because of the drinks, but most importantly, because of the family atmosphere. So thank you so much for bringing that to us.
Frank is basically part of the family.
And then I'm behind Frank.
And then you're behind Frank. Yes, correct.
We're not going to throw you under the bus with that, but no, the point of the matter is it's family-owned and operated. The food is amazing, and you have multiple locations here on the Sun Coast.
Yes, we're actually the oldest Mexican restaurant in Sarasota now. In Sarasota County, we opened in 1999, so this is our 25th year. Ernesto runs the Venice restaurant, and we've been there since 2001. It's the first time on TV. I've been here a few times.
Been with us before. So we're going to talk about guacamole. It's become so trendy. Everybody tries to make it, but there is an official way to make it.
Avocados from Mexico, right?
That's right, So teach us about guacamole.
So I'm just going to do a little quick thing. So I mean, it's pretty simple. The easiest way, honestly, is with your hand.
To peel an avocado. I'm glad you said that.
Avocado, because they can be a pain, and then if you don't know how to use the knife too much, you can cut yourself really.
Do you have tips on how to find the perfectly ripe avocado? Because the amount of times I open mine and they're too hard.
You pay $2 and it's brown.
Well, right now is not really avocado season. I found the best ones. You know, basically, I'm gonna clean this one up. The color. If you can get that color.
It's almost like sparkly brown little speckles.
Sorry about that.
Just a seed.
You know, it's when it's not the season, it's kind of hard. But if you get them green and you let them sit in your pantry for, I don't know, a week.
And that's okay? If they're really, really hard in the grocery, it's still really okay to buy them?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And actually, if you want them to be ready sooner, put them in a paper bag.
I was going to ask about that.
And
TikTok says do that.
It does work. It's true. You know,
Chef, do you use your hands when you make guacamole?
Usually I do. Honestly, it's the easiest.
That's why yours tastes better. It's got a little love in there.
I wear gloves, but I was gonna use spoons and stuff, but I'm like, that's not really the way we make it.
Okay, no, I love the official. Okay, so let's talk out loud.
We're doing
tomatoes.
So we're doing tomatoes, onions,
white onion,
avocados.
Sweet Vidalia.
You can do white onion. That's what we brought, but the red onion is really good too for it. It gives it a little bit of more flavor.
Is that a little cilantro?
Cilantro, jalapenos, and
this is why.
Let's talk about that bowl. What's so special about the bowl?
The bowl is from Mexico, and it's actually a little piggy, if you can see. This is the bowls that we use on our tableside guacamole.
Okay.
We don't mix it with our hands at the tableside, but our servers are great at it.
Tableside guacamole.
Tableside guacamole is awesome because, like myself, I don't like raw onions, so you know you can make it with that onions.
Oh, good point.
You know what I mean?
And some people are weird about cilantro, right?
Yes. Can you do me a favor, Ernesto? Can you put a little bit of salt and pepper? Because my hands are all.
So salt and pepper.
And
no other spices, though?
Well, no, you don't really need any other spices.
What about lime? I knew it was coming.
Lime is coming. The final ingredient.
And most important, maybe, Ernesto?
I would say so. Yes.
These key limes.
If these are regular, they look like key limes. Key limes, honestly, are probably the best ones.
And by the way, Cinco de Mayo would not be Cinco de Mayo without margaritas.
Yes.
Did somebody say margaritas? Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Linda's ready for Cinco de Mayo. Please get Linda a margarita. It is Linda's favorite.
This is a two-hander, Linda.
Oh, I can handle it.
You got it. You can handle it.
Very quickly, Cinco de Mayo at Mi Pueblo. What can everybody expect?
So this year our theme is circus. So we're calling it.
Oh my gosh,
We're
how
calling
perfect
it.
for
We're
us.
calling it Cinco de Mayo. You know, because we live in Sarasota.
All right,
I love it.
So Cinco de Mayo, Circus
all the Mi Pueblo locations.
Yes.
Come on Sunday. We will wrap up in just a